I feel like more inspired looking at all of these weekly kits. I think it's going to be really fun to like dip back into those. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another quick haul. We're going to just go through these things that I've gotten in the mail in the past month or so, and I'm really excited to get back into some kits, like some weekly kits, and I've got a few to show you, and then I've got some more on the way. So let's start with what's going on over here. So you might see a planner here. Well, I realized with working with undated products, I need something that is dated just for my own sanity, because I feel like I start like every plan with me like, what week is it? So I got this one from Erin, Condren. This is the monthly planner. So very simple. I got the beautiful, what is this design? Inspire. I just think it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. So we've got some like things at the front, and then just basic monthly calendar, and then some notes pages back here, which is really helpful for like content planning or whatever I need to do, like brain dumping. And I get the pretty design that I was kind of missing from other planners. Oh, it's so pretty. I just love this so much. It's super simple. It just gives me, I think, 12 months of just basic monthly planner. I can put in birthdays and events and everything coming up in here, which is really nice. And then at the very back, there's just like some dates here, and then like future plan. Oh my gosh, 2025 sounds like a fake year. And then we've got some stickers back here, and then this gorgeous pocket, like so pretty. I love this. So I just got this wildflower, I think that was what it was called, design. Just because this was the only one that was really like speaking to me. But I also got some other covers as well, so I can kind of switch those out. So here are some more covers. I got these mainly for the monthly planner and for my teacher planner. I tried to use these on my new mäksēlife planner, and it doesn't quite work. Okay, so this one is so cute. It's got like some circles. I just love like the geometric design of it. I think it's really cute. And then I got this one, which was super like modern and fun. I really like the colors. So pretty. And then this one, okay, I got a couple of like education related ones, because I always like to have a couple new ones. So this one is so pretty. I just love this. It's a stack of books. So expand my mind, open my eyes, fill my heart. I just really like that. Really pretty. And then this one I just had to have. It's so cute. So cute. I'm obsessed with this. There's another cover of like plum paper that is something similar to this, but this one is so bright. And I just love the colors in this. And I'm totally going for like this color scheme in my planner this year, and I'm just really excited to get into it. This is upside down. Let me turn this over. So I'm just, this is one that I'm going to start the year with for sure. Here it is. Here's the front. Okay. It has little Miss Rankin on there. So cute. This one I could stare at forever. So cute. Okay, other things from EC that I got. Some 2 large corner pockets. So I've had these before, and they're super handy for like just sticking wherever you want. And so I got these. There's 2 of them. I think I'll put one in my monthly planner and one in my teacher planner. And then this is something that's like new-ish. These are so cool. They're the snap-in pocket dashboards. There's 3 of them, which is really nice. I think I'll put one in my teacher planner for sure, because that's what's missing from this planner. It doesn't even have like a back pocket or anything back here. So I could put one of the little adhesive pockets here, and then put the like this snap-in one wherever I wanted to. So these are just so cool. You can put whatever you want in here and then just snap it in. These are just super handy. I'm really glad they came out with these, because I will definitely use them. And they have little tabs at the top, which is kind of cool. But I'm really excited for these, because this is something that my teacher planner is definitely missing. Now let's go to some stickers and washi. So this is the Coffee Monsterz Co. April subscription. I got the, I don't know what it's called. She has like 3 tiers. This is the top tier, I think. I can't remember what it was, but this is from the Coffee Monsterz Co. Oh, that's so cute. I just really liked the theme of this one. She had it like all laid out on her Instagram, and I just thought this was so cute. These are going to be really cute in my teacher planner. Just adorable. Okay, so this one, if you can see, maybe I should take it out of the plastic. Okay, this is so cute. It looks like just like a work washi. Like there's so many things happening on here. It's adorable. This one is like, it's got maybe silver washi or silver foil. Okay, so this one has like little sticky notes, a book, little flashcards. This is super cute with silver accents. Adorable. Okay, so then we have this really cute little die cut, which is also a sticker. This notepad, which is so cute. It looks like notebook paper, which is adorable. There's perforation up here, but you could really just like tear them off, I think. Oh, cute. Okay, and then a couple of stickers. So we've got this one, idea, project, paperwork, pack lunch, update, and this one is cute. Okay, so this is like office life, I think is the theme. Really cute. These are definitely going to school with me. And then we've got a couple of clips. So 2 little clips there. And then a little clipboard, which is so tiny and so adorable. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I think I have to take it to work. Maybe I could put like little notes on it. Like, I don't know. That's adorable. Oh my gosh. I have a thing for clipboards, and this is just so cute. Okay, so that's everything from my little subscription. I really like look at her updates on Instagram before I purchase because I don't want to waste things that like I won't use, you know? So I'm not a subscription person. I'm more like, let me wait and see. Okay, then we have some Simply Gilded, and then this kind of goes with it. So my theme for my teacher planner this year is going to be like bright jewel tones. Oh, it's going to be so fun. Okay, we have a couple of freebies here. Whale, 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 which is really cute. And then some little icon or little like heart icons. Manatees in love. Little stickers. Another sticker sheet, a little freebie, and then another card, a little seal. Okay, I'm not going to take these out of all of the plastic just yet because we'd be here a while, but I'm going to show them all to you because I just think they're a really fun combo. So I got some really, really bright colors here, some little bows, just little white bows. This one has like a little bit of a gradient, which is kind of fun, from pink to orange. And then this one is like darker yellow to lighter yellow. And then we have this little desert scene. I just was really drawn to the colors. I just think they're really cute, and they're going to go really well with everything with silver foil. And then this is the like sister washi to this one. It's like the daytime scene with gold. Really fun. I really just got it for the colors, but I do like the desert scene. And then this, what is this called? This is a certain pattern. It's like on the tip of my tongue, but I just was really loving the colors, and it has a little silver bow on there. And then this book washi, it's got like a pink background, but then the books are like pastel. And then this one was like mandalas. So it's got a green background with rose gold. So I don't mind mixing metals in my teacher planner. It's totally fine. I just kind of go wild in there. And then these are like the boxes that I got to go with the washi. So this stuff is from Scribble Prints Co. So here is a little freebie with like gray toned marble things. I will definitely use that. And then this overlay sheet with gold something. It's like pixelated. It's kind of cool. Okay, so then I also got some little like tiny stickers, little icons. I got some boots in like the neutral ones. I have the bright colored boots. I work at like a rural school, so we have lots of rodeo stuff going on. And then I got some little, I don't even know what to call this, like little utensil holder for marking like culinary stuff that's going on. This is for theater. This is for like track and cross country. Got 2 of those. We've got tennis, basketball, and football. So these should get me through the year, hopefully. And I think I can use the shoes for like whatever sports are going on. Like I don't have a baseball one, but I could use the shoes for that too. Okay, so these are just so cute. I'm excited about that. Then these are all of the boxes that I got. So I've got some labels here. Got a couple of those. Really bright colors. Super fun. So 4 of those. And then a couple of half boxes. 2 of those. These are the ones that I use the most. So these little things labels. I got quite a few of those because I went through them like crazy last year. So 5 of those, some rounded half boxes, just 1. And then the rounded quarter boxes, just 1 of those. And then these I used quite a bit too. So I got 2 of those. And then these I used a lot. So I got 3 of those. So this should get me through the whole school year. I'll need to like switch out all of my neutral labels for these bright ones, but I think this is going to be a super fun color combo. Each week is going to look different. It's going to be just like super bright. Then we have some actual kits, which like I mentioned, I need to order some more, but we're not there yet. I'm probably going to do that this week. This one is called Tangier. It's so pretty. I thought this was good for like August. So beautiful. I love the colors. This is a mini kit from Caress Press. Oh, this is so pretty. And there's the deco. It's just adorable. I just really like this whole vibe. Then I have this one. Oh, this is going to be for August. We start school pretty early in August. I think the 11th, something like that. But this is called To School. And it's really, really cute. Here's a little freebie. There was 2 like options. One was super bright, and then there was this one, and I decided to go with the muted one because I just thought it was really cute. So here's the first page. Again, a midi kit. I don't go for anything bigger than that. Really cute. The other one was kind of like more student-centered too, whereas this one I feel like I can make more teacher-centered. Really cute. Excited to use that. Okay, then I've got a couple things from Let's Planet. This kit I'm so excited about. Okay, we got a little die cut here. This is Salty Beach. Makes me laugh. Okay, so this is one of the kits that I got. Oh, here's another freebie. This is cute. Okay, so this, I don't know what this is called. It doesn't have the name on it anywhere. But anyway, I was just super drawn to the bright colors. I think this will be fun in like July, early August. Really cute. So I got like 4 pages here. There were a lot to choose from, but I just picked the ones that I thought I would use the most. I think with this one, I think I'll use these little checklists. I'm still experimenting in my mäksēlife. I just have not figured out exactly what I want to do in there. So each week is like a new and different challenge. Okay, so we've got, what happened here? I feel like I got too many pages here. I know I didn't order all of these. Maybe they like accidentally sent me too much, because I know I didn't get this sheet. I don't know what happened, but I have a bunch of pages here. Okay, this is called the Lily Kit. This is so pretty. I think I used the journaling kit of this last year. It's really cute. I love the colors. Bottom washi is super fun. Okay, there's some more full boxes and another boxes page. And then this one, which I meant to get. So I'm not sure what went on with this order, but we have enough pages to make it work for sure. Okay, now let's go to Lemon and Honey Studio. I love her shop so much, and Pam is the best. She was one of the people at Go Wild that was so kind to me. Like, totally took me under her wing with her group, and I just really appreciate that. Okay, we've got some freebies here. So we've got this one from April 2023. How is this stuff so old? I don't know. I guess I did my last haul months ago. So this apparently I ordered quite a while ago, but they are summer kits, so I'm going to be using them. We've got an extra boxes page here. Let me see if I can figure out what I even ordered, because I don't even know. Okay, I figured it out. I got like a lot of stuff here. Most of it's like, I think what I was buying here was like journaling kits, like making my own thing. But I think I can make these work like in my planner itself. So this one is called Canyon Moon, which it has date covers and washi, which I can use extra boxes. And the deco, which is so pretty. I think I'm going to like challenge myself to use these in the vertical planner that I'm using right now that I wasn't really thinking about when I ordered these. Okay, this one is called Desert Dreams, which is so beautiful. I love the patterns and the florals. There's boxes and deco. This one is Hello Summer. No, Hello Sunshine. Oh, look at that bottom washi. So interesting. I'm going to have to go through and update my kit lineup spreadsheet. I have a copy down in the description if you want, and I have a discount code for Pam's shop. You can get 20% off, so I'll leave that down below as well. Okay, this one is called Happy Place. I was just loving the leopard. And then this one is called Beautiful Days. So like I said, I think I can use these in the planner that I'm in right now, or I can go to her shop and order some more. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I do really like these a lot. You can tell we're in the middle of a planner crisis. We are fully moved into the new planner, but I'm still figuring it out. Okay, this is a spring. Spring is in the air, not summer. Okay, this is called Denim and Daisies. I have no idea what this looks like. Let's find out together. Okay, this is the May freebie. Wow. Okay, so I don't even know what this kit is. Oh, okay, now I remember. Okay, so we've got full boxes. I need to use this like next week. This is so cute. We've got some headers, which I really like the to-dos for my new style. There's a lot of boxes there. Some check boxes, some glitter headers, date covers, bottom washi, and deco, which is so cute. But I'm excited to use this. I think it's really cute. And yeah, I think I should use this like next week. Okay, that's everything for this haul. Wow, quite a few things here. I didn't even realize I had this hanging around for so long. But now that I've seen it all again, I'm excited to get into it. I feel like more inspired looking at all of these weekly kits. I think it's going to be really fun to like dip back into those. But yeah, it's been a confusing time around here. I'm going to figure it out. It's just going to take me a little while. But I'm just going to kind of lean into it and just see what happens. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And I'll see you next time. Bye.